Xiaomi Mi 9T power in full pop-up selfie camera. 4.8 MP AI triple camera. Equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon. '730 processor with 8 nanometers process technology. CPU single-core performance is improved by 35% and power consumption is reduced by 10%. In addition, the AI algorithm improves processor efficiency by up to 2.6 times. Whether gaming or snapping photos, this performance won't let you down. Mi 9T uses a curved display design featuring a rectangular display within rounded corners. Using standard rectangle measurements, the display length is 6.39 inches. Actual display may be slightly smaller. Xiaomi Mi 9T smartphone was launched on the 12th of June 2019. The phone comes with a 6.39-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19.59. Mi 9T is powered by a 1.8 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor that features 6 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz and 2 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. The Mi 9T runs Android Pie and is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. The Mi 9T supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Mi 9T on the rear packs a 48-megapixel primary camera with an f1.75 aperture and a pixel size of 1.6 micron. The Mi 9T runs MIUI 10 based on Android Pie and packs 64 GB of inbuilt storage. The Mi 9T is a dual SIM (GSM and GSM) smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. Connectivity options on the Mi 9T include Wi-Fi 802.11a/b per gram, N, AC, Bluetooth V5.00, NFC, infrared, USB Type-C, 3G, and 4G, with support for band 40 used by some LTE networks in India, with active 4G on both SIM cards. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. The Mi 9T supports face unlock. The Mi 9T measures 156.70 by 74.30 by 8.80 mm height x width x thickness and weighs 191.00 grams. It was launched in carbon black, flame red, and glacier blue colors. It bears a glass body. The link in the description.